Hi, my name is Ifedayo, and today I'll be discussing about preposition. Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. And I like to just pinpoint correct choice of preposition with verbs. We'll be talking about example: correct on, apologize for, attack on, apologize to. That's if you want to apologize to your teacher or someone. Comment on or disagree with. Charge with. That's if someone is charged with murder. Negotiate with. Reconcile with. Rely on. Die of. Complain of. Meddle with or meddle in. Accuse of. Confer with. Divide among. That is when people are many. But divide between when they are just two. Play with. Play at. Wait for. Desist from. Blame for. Arrive at. Pray for. Learn by. That's when you learn by heart. Then pray to. Believe in. Insist on. Suffer from. When someone suffers from a disease or particular ailment. Resorted to. Protest against. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.